Getting started here, adding 1 pound of ground beef right into my baking dish. We will now squeeze in a little bit of ketchup. I would say about a few tablespoons, but of course you can make this as saucy or as dry as you want. And you can also change this part up too. I have a little bit of mustard that I'm gonna put right in there with that ketchup. And same thing, adjust to your liking. You know, we all have different tastes. I don't know, maybe you'll come up with a different sauce. And if you have an idea, well then tell me what you think in the comments. But for now, I'm doing a little bit of mayonnaise, a little bit of mustard, and a little bit of ketchup. Now you'll stir this around in with the ground beef. So it's like we're making our little Big Mac sauce here, whatever you want to call it, in with this ground beef. So what are you adding in? I don't know. Maybe you're going to throw some pickles in right here. I'm choosing to do without it, but you know what? It's up to you. Oh, this is looking so good. And this easy appetizer is just going to blow your mind. You guys are going to impress your guests with this one. And I don't know, you might just fall in love yourself. So make sure you have that all mixed up nice and good, moving right along here. I love how all of that meat is just doused just a little bit saucy, not too much. And then I'm just gonna spread it out evenly on the bottom of my baking dish, just like so. Now I have some white onion. I'll sprinkle that right on top. I absolutely love onion. If you guys ever watch any of my stuff, you're gonna know that I am a huge onion lover. So I'm gonna throw a ton of onion on because yes, I just love it so much. Making it even better with some cheddar cheese. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put a nice layer of cheese right on top. I'm not gonna be stingy about that. That's gonna bake in with that meat and all of that goodness and flavors here. Let's just spread that out. Make sure that's all nice and even as well. Oh yeah. Now here's where it's at right here, you guys. Some French fries. Yeah, that is what I'm talking about there. We are layering up the top layer with some French fries. Ooh, this is gonna be delicious. Now I went with the crinkle fries. I do also like the curly ones, the spicy ones. You know, we have a lot of options out there nowadays. So I don't know, share your thoughts in the comments. What kind of fries would you use? I'm gonna kind of take it old school here and just do some crinkle fries. And I'm gonna make sure that they are definitely covering all of that goodness right there on the bottom. This fun, easy way to change up a appetizer, a little casserole here. Oh, this is so great, especially for football season. Okay, that looks great. I have a little bit left over, but we'll save those for later. We are ready to rock and roll. Check that out. We have all of that ground beef layered with those onions and the delicious fries that are gonna be nice and crispy after we pop it in the oven at 425 for about 25 minutes. Stick around, we have a little bit more to come and you're really gonna love this one. Wow, can we just take a moment for these? Oh, they look so good. Look at how golden brown those tops are. I absolutely love what we're going for here today. And to make them even better, I'm gonna take some shredded lettuce. I'm gonna put that right there, right on top of those French fries. It's like we're combining a burger along with the French fries. It's just like a one-stop shop here, right? So I got some lettuce right on top. Put as little or as much as you choose. Maybe you won't use it at all. I don't know if you're one of those people. Maybe you just like a plain burger. I'm not sure. But anyways, we're moving right along. I like tomato too, so I'm gonna throw some nice juicy red tomatoes right on top here, you guys. What a fun idea for a get-together or game day. I love this. It's almost like we're changing up the typical nacho, right? We're using some French fries and we've got some good ground beef in there. This is gonna be great. So I'm gonna come right in the front here. I'm gonna dig out a nice scoop. Oh my gosh, I can tell that they're gonna be cheesy. I want some meat in there too. Look at all of those layers. Oh, that's steaming. That looks so great. Let's plop it right here onto our plate. We have all the good stuff right here, the cheese, the beef, and remember we made that little sauce that we put in the beef, which is going to be so great in there. Oh, and eat it however you want. I'm gonna use the fork here. I'm gonna get a little bit of beef along with, oh my gosh, that looks so good, along with the fry and along with the tomato here. Let's give it a blow. Oh, it's a little hot. You know what? David's over here staring at me. I know that he's so hungry. Okay, I'm gonna let him be and take the first bite here. Let me make sure it's not too hot for you. All right, I think that's good. Here, babe, this one's for you.
Okay.
All right, tell us what you think, babe.
Delicious.
So good, right? Okay, I'm gonna dive right in here too. I'm gonna follow that up. Let's see, how come I can't stab a French fry here? What's going on? All right, I'm gonna get this one right here. Yeah, this is amazing. I love this easy twist. Let me know what you're throwing in. I don't know.
Maybe even some cheese sauce would be good. Let me know what you think of that idea. All right, you guys, we'll see you guys later. I hope you enjoy. It's time for me to dig in.